Good morning, students. Today's topic is Chapter 7 Triangles, Exercise 7.2 from NCERT book. Okay, let's start. First, question number 1. The question is in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, the bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Join AO so that OB equal to OC. AO bisects angle A. So this is the figure. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. So AB this side and this side, AB equal to AC, and angle B and C intersect each other at O. B and C, angle B and C, bisectors of angle B and C, so intersect each other at O. So bisectors of angle B and C, bisectors of angle B, that is OB, and bisectors of angle C, that is OC. Okay, so bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. So prove that. Join AO and prove that OB equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. These two sides OB equal to OC and AO bisects angle A, that means this angle equal to this angle. Show this. Okay. Now angle, it is given AB equal to AC. These two sides are equal. So we know if two sides are equal, that means angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Two angles are equal, and that is angles opposite to equal sides, that is C equal to B, are equal because AB equal to AC. So these two angles are equal. Now angle C means OCA plus OCB, because OC is the bisector, this angle plus this angle, and angle B means OBA plus OBC, sum of these two, because OB is the bisector. Okay, since OB bisects angle B and OC bisects angle C. Now angle OBA equal to OBC, OBA equal to OBC, because OB is the bisector, these two angles are equal, and OCA equal to OCB, equal to OCB, because these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal, because OC and OB are the bisectors. Now OCB plus OCB, because these two are equal, so you can write both are OCB plus OCB equal to OBC plus OBC plus OBC. So 2 angle OCB, so you can write this angle equal to 2 angle OCB equal to 2 angle OBC. That means OCB equal to OBC. OCB, this angle equal to OBC. So these two angles are equal. Because OB is the bisector, so these two are equal, and OC is the bisector, so these two are equal. So from this we get OCB equal to OBC. Okay. Now in OBC, triangle OBC, OCB equal to OCB equal to OBC, these two angles are equal. That means OB equal to OC, these two sides are equal because of two base angles are equal. So sides opposite to equal angles. OCB equal to OBC, two base angles are equal, so sides opposite to equals angles, that is OB equal to OC are equal. Now, and this is our question 1, OB equal to OC. Then question 2 is AO bisects angle A. AO bisects angle A. So in triangle AOB and AOC, AOB and AOC, these two, AOB and AOC, this side equal to this side, and this side equal to this side. AB equal to AC it is given, and OB equal to OC, we proved this, and OA is common side, OA is common, so these two triangles are congruent by SSS rule, side. So by SSS congruency, these two triangles are, that means AOB equal to AOC. Now by CPCT we can say if these two triangles are equal, that means these two angles are equal because they are congruent. So congruence triangle, by CPCT we can say corresponding angles are equal, so these two angles are equal. That means OA bisects angle A. Okay. Next, question number 2. The question is, in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So AD is perpendicular to BC and bisector also, that means BD equal to DC. So show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. Okay, so that ABC is in isosceles triangle, that means AB equal to AC. Now, from these two triangles, that means ADB and ADC, these two triangles, so we know it is given AD bisects BC, that means BD equal to CD, these two sides are equal because AD bisects BC, and ADB equal to ADC, it is given question AD perpendicular BC, so these two angles are 90 degree, these also and these both are 90 degree, ADB equal to ADC 90 degree, and AD is common side, AD is common, this side is common side, so this is common AD, this is 90 degree, and AD is common and BD equal to CD. So by SAS congruency, by side angle side congruency, we can say triangle ABD and ACD are congruence. So what are the three conditions? First one is this is 90, this is 90. Second one is this is common side and this side equal to this side. These three conditions. Okay. So now we can say this triangle and this triangle are congruence, and by side angle side, SAS, by side angle side rule. And now after congruency we can say that by CPCT these two sides are equal, corresponding sides are equal, and two sides are equal, that means the triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Okay. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and CF are drawn to equal side AC and AB. Okay, two equal side AB and AC, and BE CF are altitude. So perpendicular to BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB, BE and CF. So that three altitudes are equal. These altitudes are equal. That means BE equal to CF. So these two sides are equal. Show this, and it is given ABC is an isosceles triangle and two equal sides AB and AC. This side and this side are equal, and this angle 90, this angle 90, because BE and CF are perpendicular. It is given. So that these two altitude BE equal to CF. This is our question. Okay. Show this BE equal to CF. Okay. Now in triangle ABE and ACF, ABE and ACF. So angle A is common. Angle A same. In triangle ABE, angle A is there. In triangle ACF, angle A is there. So in ABE and ACF, angle A is common. This angle is common. Number 2 condition, AEB and AFC is 90 degree. AEB, this angle and this angle, these two are 90 degree. AEB, this is 90 and this is also 90. Both are 90 degree. And once more, third condition is AB equal to AC. It is given. AB equal to AC. So AB equal to AC, it is given. Third condition. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. This angle is common, and this is 90 and this is 90. These are the three conditions. Okay. So one condition is A is common and these two angles are 90 degree. It is given. And third condition is, it is also given, these two sides are equal. So A side angle. Okay, that means AAS, angle side congruency. So this triangle ABE and ACF are congruence by AAS congruency. So angle side. Now by CPCT BE equal to CF. So these two are altitudes, so altitudes are equal. So the three condition is A is common, one angle is 90 degree, it is given, AEB equal to ABC, and these two sides also equal, it is given. So this, from this three condition we get these two triangles are congruence. Okay. Next question is, ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal, so that AB is congruent to ACF and AB equal to AC, or ABC is an isosceles triangle. So ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. So BE and CF are equal to altitude. BE and CF, these two, BE and CF are, these two altitudes are equal. Okay, so that ABC equal to is congruent to ACF, and these two altitude, it is given, are equal. Okay, so in triangle ABE and ACF, angle A is common, and AEB equal to AFC, it is also equal, it is given 90 degree perpendicular, and B equal to CF, it is also given. is also given. That means these two altitudes B and CF, these two are equal, it is given, and these two angles are equal, it is given, and this angle is common, A. So ABE and AC and ACF, from these two triangle we get these three conditions. So by angle side congruency, because two angle and one side, so ABE equal to is congruent to ACF. So because of these two triangles are congruent, so by CPCT you can say B equal to CF. B equal to CF, and these two sides are equal, so ABC is an isosceles triangle. B equal to CF by CPCT. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, or AB equal to, by CPCT, AB equal to AC. These two sides are equal, so triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Thank you. Practice all the sums. If any doubt, then you can ask in your live class. Thank you.